Right, I brought in my Musa sycamensis last night. It had blown over. I didn't want it to get damaged anymore. This leaf is already hanging off, so I'll trim that off. I brought this Musa Basjoo pups in, and what I'm going to do now is attempt to get this out of the pot, change all the soil. I've got some compost there, put fresh compost in, and this I'm going to have to find somewhere for it. Look how big the leaves are, massive. So this is my large taro or mycorrhiza. Right, removed as much of the old soil. It's got a good root system. So I'm going to put some fresh, cleaned out the pot that it was in. Sort of grows long ways. Don't tend to grow upwards, but get that in the pot, get some fresh compost in there, and might have to cut off one of the older leaves. Right, that was a bit of a job, that. So yeah, I'm going to take off this leaf here, and what will probably happen over the winter, which has happened in previous winters. This is a pup actually from the mother plant that I had. Oh gosh, I got the mother plant years ago, and this will produce a pup here, and if I'm able to, I could separate that and grow that on like this one has grown. Yeah, probably will lose a few more leaves over winter. Just keeping it on the dry side. Repotted it now. Same size pot, just removed the old soil, well, as much of the old soil as possible to get rid of any bugs or slugs, snails, etc. wood lice in there. So yeah, and then it's finding a place for it. We'll see where it ends up.